uma ufuna ukuba i-rapist uzoba yiyo i-rapist, kodwa na ufuna ukuthi ube umuntu ohlonishwayo emphakathini uzoba yilokho. You choose what you want to be. Bafana bami, ngiyazi isikhathi esiningi into ezisilahlekisa kakhulu indaba yoku-admire abantu abenza izinto ezi-wrong, and then you follow suit and uzitshela ukuthi nawe uyahappena. Of which akuhambi kanjalo. Into eyayingithathe kakhulu mina ngizela amantombazane. I have 2 girls. Sometimes nginokubabheka ngithi okay, there will come a time eseqale sekhuluma ama-feelings kubo as girls. Khona isikhathi esofika la abafana bakuthatha khona ama-advantage because they are girls. Mina irole yami yini kubo? Mina njengomzali angifihli nix kubo. Ngiyabatshela ama-stages abazowahamba ukuthi kuzofika isikhathi wena uhappena khona usubona ukuthi sekuvela amadeli incane la amancane siyaqala nasikuthuma esitoro ufuna uqala uqamile izinwele uziphashaphe and then ubona ukuthi ugqokeni before uhambe esitoro. That moment will come. Kodwa ke ekugcineni be careful, ngoba abafana la ngaphandle abadlali. Mina I always tell my girls ukuthi bhekani mina qala ukuthi what I do in this house. Look what I do. Look where the places I take you. Because angifuni ufike umfana zokhohlisa athi ngizokuse Sun City engathi awukaze waye Sun City. I take my girls to Sun City.
Yes.
I take my girls to Durban. I take my girls to Cape Town because fanele bak-enjoy base Cape Town. Because if ungafika umfana ufake isport inyana noma ungasifaki isport ufake ikepisi ufike uthi angikhohle ukuthi ngizokuse Sun City uzokutshela ukuthi my dad took me there.
Yes.
So come up with something new.
Yes. Competition has been tight.
Ngoba abantwana bethu balimala nje today because nathi ama-parents singabazali asiwadlala ama-roles ethu. Umntana uza kuyefuna i-advice uyamkhahlela ukuthi uyawusuke lapha ngoba ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe. Umntana akazazi ukuthi uzoshonaphi, uphumela ngaphandle azoyofuna i-advice ngaphandle. Ngaphandle bamnikeza i-advice bathi yazi usukhulile usungahlala nangathola i-boyfriend awuzoba right. Awuzokwazi ukuthengela nje isethe amaphenti inyana nama-bra uthole nesicathulo umntana amshayina nge-weave uzoba right. Umntana ucabanga ukuthi ukuhamba yoqoma umfana ucabanga ukuthi uzothola i-weave, which is wrong. My kid nighting daddy ngicela ungiphathele ama-sweet, I bring sweets in the house. Night daddy ngicela ungiphathele ama-biscuits, I bring biscuits in the house. Because angifuna umntana amazimise lezo zinto because there will be a boy somewhere, I don't know where, ozohamba azokhohlisa umntana. You as boys are sitting here today, no one gives you a right yokuthi ushaye noma yiphi ingane ongasiyona yakho. No one gives you a right yokuthi urape umntana abantu. No one gives you a right. Ungahappena ube isikhokho wenzeke yonke into lapha estradini, but no one gives you a right. Sifikile isikhathi la nihambe manje senibhema namanyawo angazi kwenzakalani. But I said, you choose what you want to be. Bantwana basekhaya asingakhohlisani. uThebo noThabo bangakhohlisa uzoba isikhokho uzoba yini. You choose what you want to be. Wena sikhethele ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngempilo yakho. Yebo.
Halala, it is in your hands.